I want to show everybody Benjamin's reaction to hearing a 350Z bounce off rev limiter with nitrous. Ben, ready? Ready? Do it again. A little man's into cars. I knew that before. He loves the sound of RBs too. Like if there's an RB engine on the TV, going drifting, driving, whatever it is, he's glued to the TV. Doesn't like V8s. We'll fix that. What's up, guys? We're on our way to Nashville. We've stopped twice. Benjamin's already peed on himself, so we're off to a good start. And there's ice cream. We're getting ice cream. You ready for ice cream? You know what I just decided? This is now a road trip montage. Starting. For 25 hours and I have been driving for 17 of them. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll be back. We made it to Nashville, slept in until like 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. sorry, 1 p.m. and now we're going to the Rainforest Cafe to get something to eat and figure out what we're gonna do for the day. And hey,
is that the only thing you're gonna eat today?
It's not getting any better at this. What?
You said that you were going to see what you were gonna eat today.
I said we're going into the Rainforest Cafe to eat and see what we're gonna do today.
Oh.
Yeah, tough man behind the camera, but point one at him.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Done with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Be free with me.
As long as Mama's around, nothing else matters.
That's okay. Ben. Oh, you actually let him touch it.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
11A. And it's my birthday. But it's not my birthday. But it's my birthday. And that's all.
It was my idea to tell them it was her birthday, and then I was away with Benjamin when they came over to sing, so I missed it. I didn't get to film it.
I'm still recording.
Benjamin threw up on me in the middle of Dave Buster's. That's part of being a dad, I guess. Try to be all cute and carry him around, and he gets all happy and he throws up on my head.
Ben, are you overstimulated right now? Tired and overstimulated? Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
So that was Nashville day one. Quick day, just kind of hanging out, getting used to seeing daylight again. And today we're gonna go play airsoft. We're in Nashville, home of Jack Daniels and country music and all that stuff. So we're gonna go do something completely unrelated. But thank you guys for watching this video. The airsoft video will be up soon. Not really sure when, but it'll be before next Saturday. And then we have the rest of that day and another day to see what we can get into, and you'll find out, because I have no idea either, so I can't even tell you what's gonna go on. But thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment down below, follow your dreams, kids.